What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to sign up for the trading platform Public and how to receive up to $1,000 worth of free stocks. This video is going to walk you through step by step on what exactly is needed for the information in order to open an account with Public and to receive your free stock. So the first step is going to be to click on the link down below in the description box or down below in the comments that's going to be pinned. The link is going to lead you to the App Store where you can download the Public app. After it's done downloading, you're going to be greeted by the screen right here. So it's just asking you for your code. Even though you click on the direct link, sometimes it doesn't always automatically add the referral code for you. So if it doesn't, just type in financial tutor. That way you can receive up to $1,000 worth of free stock. The next page allows you to select what free stock you want to receive. So you can see the different options right here. Since I'm a big fan of Tesla, I selected that one. And hopefully I receive up to $1,000 free worth of Tesla. I guess you'll have to wait to the end of the video to see if I do. After that, it's going to ask you for your phone number. And then it's going to send you a code to confirm your phone number. Then you want to type in your name. So this is what's going to be shown on your Public profile. For me, I just put in financial tutor. And same with my username. After that, you're going to type in your email address. So this is going to be the email address you use to log into the app. And then you're just going to create a password. Next up, it's going to ask you for your birthday. Then it's going to ask if you are a US citizen. After that, it's going to ask for your marital status. Then how many dependents you have. Then do any of these apply to you or a family member? If you're a 10% shareholder, employed at another brokerage, or a politically exposed person. For most people out there, this isn't going to be none for them. But if you're unsure, I would ask a family member or a parent. But for me, none apply. After that, it's going to ask for your employment status, and if you are employed, you're just going to have to enter in what your role is and what company it's for. This doesn't really affect if you're going to be approved or not for your application, but they just want to know what sources of income you have and where they're coming from. Then you're going to want to put in your permanent address and your full legal name. The last information Public is going to need is your social security number, so you will need one in order to open up an account. So after you put it in, just click next and you're going to be greeted by the screen right here just saying enable cryptos. So if you want to enable cryptos, you can do so. I would just go over the different descriptions and policies that they have and click agree. If not, you could always click not now and do it later on. And then finally, your application is submitted. It's kind of weird that it still has a couple other questions even though you submitted your application, such as what are your investment goals, how much experience you have with investing, what's your yearly income, what's your estimated net worth, and lastly, what's the total value of your cash and liquid investments. So it really doesn't matter what you select for any of these questions when it comes to the cash or how much net worth you have. Public just wants to know a little bit more information about you. The last step is just funding your account. That way you can receive the free stock. So there's two main ways you can fund your account, whether that's through a debit card or connecting up a bank. I chose to go with connecting my bank, and they use a third-party service called Plaid, which verifies your bank account and then allows you to transfer it. So it has all the major banks on there, and I just went ahead and transferred $100 to fund my account and receive that free stock. You should receive your approval status pretty fast. I submitted mine at 7:39 p.m. on a Tuesday. I then received a message at 1:42 a.m. that my account was approved and that I received a free stock. So I opened up my approved Public app and I received, drum roll please, $5 free in Tesla stock. I'm not disappointed in that. Hey, $5 is $5 and you can't beat free, so I'm glad I got any kind of money for free. Leave a comment down below how much money you guys received in free stock while signing up for the Public app. If you guys are interested in opening up any other trading accounts or receiving any other free monies with other financial apps, I have a whole playlist right here, so feel free to click on that. If this video did help you out, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Let's see if we can get this video to 50 likes. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.